Okay, so today's a new day. Not really the video I wanted to make, but it is what it is. Want to keep you guys updated. Was opening the body kit the other day, and it isn't gonna work. A lot of things. I'll go into it here. I have pretty much everything laid out behind me. You can see that part right there, which is like the rear under body diffuser. Not bad. I mean, it does have like that hole right there, which I have no idea what that's for. But for the most part, not bad. I wouldn't be too concerned about it. Side skirts, a little dirty, but a little pressure wash should help on that. A couple of them, like, I don't know how that's supposed to be, but like a couple of them maybe look like they were broken. But again, nothing too bad. It just doesn't start looking good when we start looking at the front and rear bumper right there. So here you can see the front bumper is actually brand new, it's never used. The other pieces were, which I couldn't find the spoiler either. It's supposed to come with one. Anyway, whatever, not a problem anymore. So this one you can see the front bumper, brand new, never used. Sorry for the thunder, it's raining outside. It's cracked right there. And then both corners, like that, are damaged. Hopefully you can see that. Those corner pieces are right there. That's where they lead to. So these corners right here come to a pretty fine point on the car. I actually contacted a local body shop, and they are approved Tesla body shop and everything. And they said fixing this would be very difficult for it to not break in the future, just because any pressure put on that would just crack it right off. So, I mean, a little depressed on this piece, but I think it really comes to show when we get to the rear bumper, this body kit just is not going to work. So one, I was going to have it repainted anyway, but you can see it was beat to scratched all up and down, especially like right there. There's some dirt there too, but a lot of those right there are all scratches and scuffs. But I was going to have it repainted anyway, so I mean, not the end of the world. But look at these clips. So these are what new clips look like. This is what it should look like. But it looks like it was ripped off the car in such a manner that literally, I mean, that one's like completely gone. That one's busted. That one's busted. That one's busted. And that's just on one side. The other side, that one's okay. That one's gone. That one is okay, a little flimsy. Okay, that one's broken right here. That one's damaged right here. It literally just looks like they ripped it. Completely just ripped it off of the Model S it was previously on. To be honest, not a huge fan of this job right here. It literally looks and feels like hot glue. I bet that's just hot glue. Not the greatest job ever. And I mean, the corners on here aren't terrible. I think those would be okay. But everything else is like totally crappy. And so this is the bumper, what you would see. If you look at this piece right here, it was never even finished. It's just like super shoddy. I'm just not a huge fan of it. These pieces I don't really care about because this is where your OEM red reflector goes in. Then you have like the little side wings right here and right here, which kind of help it connect to the side skirts. You can see that was broken during shipping too. Shipping just not the greatest. But yeah, I guess you can see right there, that's the body kit in a nutshell, minus the spoiler, which I don't know where it is. I didn't see it in a box. I wasn't going to use it anyway. I was going to use T-Sport lens. But yeah, so I'm just not going to be installing this. There's far too many issues with the bumper. The clips, like the little tabs right here, being missing is a very big safety concern, because without something holding it in, the bumper could easily fall off. And even if you repair it, a repair is never going to be as solid as what it should be. So yeah, like these pieces right here were all used, but supposed to be in good condition. Clearly they weren't. Or maybe they were before they got torn off the car.
I don't know. And then the new bumper, like, I mean, that little splitter piece right there isn't the end of the world. I'm more concerned about these corners because these are supposed to be very, very hard to fix. And any slight pressure on it or anything could just pop off the fix. And I just don't have time for a kit that's gonna cause me a lot of hassle in the future. It's not what I bought, it's not what I signed up for. I was purchasing something in basically brand new condition. So this kit is far from it, and I'm done with it, unfortunately. Sorry guys. Body kit's not gonna happen on the Tesla. It's just, I don't know. Wasn't meant to be, I have no idea. It's just not gonna happen. And before we get any triggered squad here, I do know body kits require work. I'm not afraid of putting work into it, but when like clips are ripped off like this, or pieces are broken on the front bumper, that really can be fixed, but they won't hold up long, or there'll be no guarantee. It's a little bit more than I signed up for, and when I had purchased the kit, that is not what was told to me. So if I had known that it was gonna have at least those issues, because that was not from shipping, I would have touched this kit at all. I do want to do something to my car to make it more of an aggressive look. And that's kind of what I was going for with this front bumper, the rear bumper, the side skirts. It just made it more aggressive looking. And that's kind of what I wanted. But I've dealt with T-Sportline a ton, and I hit them up, and we are actually going to be doing the rear carbon fiber diffuser from T-Sportline, the front apron from T-Sportline, as well as the wing that'll be going back on once it gets wrapped. I don't know about the side skirts. I'm still trying to figure that out because I would love some carbon fiber side skirts. Oh yeah, and anyone interested in ordering anything from T-Sportline, down below is a link in the description, which will save you $100 off any order of $500 or more. But yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated because I know a lot of you were looking forward to this body kit, as was I. I had so many fun plans for this. It's just not gonna work out, unfortunately. But I should be getting the parts from T-Sportline soon, and then we will continue with rewrapping it. I don't know if you guys want to see some live sessions during the rewrap and the other parts going on. Just let me know down below if you want some live sessions, if you want to. Maybe I'll do live when we're peeling the wrap. I don't know. We'll come up with some other fun stuff, but unfortunately, this project is kind of coming to an anticlimactic, disappointing end. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. But yeah, sorry for kind of like a bummer of a video. I don't really like making bummer videos, but sometimes that's just life, and this is my life right now. So yeah, if you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is an awesome perk to have. And I used it on my road trip out to California for my flamethrower, and it was just amazing. But yeah, as always, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some other videos. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.